Yeah, more work, more work. You see, I'm not the only one. No. We are in a team. See them. Here we go. Here we go. And this is a complete finishing. You can see how nice it is. Yeah. So just that we couldn't clear the place. If I look at what we did yesterday. Woo. So perfect. Excellent work. You can see we are on. So this extraction project new, and Kaswa is the location, Plastering. So remove. It's not only the design, we do all that work of history, all the missing work. So don't hesitate to tell us, we are there for you. We are because you are, and you are because we are. End of another beautiful project. Massive one. Everything is intact. Neat, clean job. And there is the back view. You can see everything is aligned. Excellent work done.
So that was Abraham for you, our windows and doors pillar design. You can see the work being done for yourself right here. Amazing job done by the team. And yeah, when you go to my playlist, with the wall and windows design, you will see a lot of designs and a lot of jobs that this guy has done for clients on the channel. And also when it comes to burglar proofs, you can always get in touch with Metal Hand, which is Frank, Mighty Metal Hand, which is Frank. He does the burglar proofs, also amazing. You go to my playlist, also you see his work. And actually, he is the brother of Abraham Segbedre. He is the brother, like blood, same mother, same father. We have them on the team here, so you can combine them. One is doing the design and one is fixing your burglary proof for you. And also, if it comes to the windows, this guy is also there. Bruno is also there to get your windows done, your balustrades done. Actually, if you're at this stage, you are done with your structure and you combine these three people, you get them to your site. You've created your team, you've created a very strong team because these guys have been working together. And if you have them on your site collectively, they can come up with a nice design and nice idea, and it will save you the hustle of calling this artisan from here, calling that artisan from here, and this one will blame this person for doing this wrong, and this guy is going to blame this, and the breakages, and paying for extra work. Sometimes these artisans, when they come to the job, they always like to correct things before they continue. They like to do their own things before they continue with a job, or before they accept the job. They'll tell you this is fault, so I have to break it, which sometimes it doesn't really make sense. So if you have these three guys on your site at the same time to get you all the estimates, they know they are going to work together, they form a team, and it will save you a lot of money. And at the same time, you are forming your own team when it comes to communication. So nobody is going to be blaming this person. No, it's going to save you that kind of hustle, and you will get a good discount from them if they know you are using all of them, the three of them at the same time. So that's their number on the screen. You can just pause the video, just write it down, just in case you get to that stage. And like I said, if you go to my playlist, you just look for their names. They are all there. You can see what they've done, the project they are doing, and you can check them out yourself. So this was done by the team of Abraham. Bruno also has his own team. Frank also. So we are a lot. Our numbers. If I tell you how many people we've employed, during this production group, we are a lot. So, you can see it for yourself. Investment, investment, investment. Keeping it simple and neat, this will bring the cash flow, and you will build more properties in the future.
Yeah, this is what we did, but it was late, so we couldn't video it. So the next day, I decided to take the video. So with the plastering, we are very good at it. Expect when it comes to giggle, there's no failure. When it comes to giggle, there's no failure. That is why we keep saying, we are because you are, and you are because we are. So you always get the right person, the right people for the right job at the right time. So please don't hesitate to reach us. We are here giving out our best. We are here giving out our best. We are the best, second to none. So call on us anytime, anywhere, any moment. We will deliver. So this is the toilet and bath. They'll be laying tiles, so it's done rough. This is rough plastering in order to hold the tiles firmly. So that is why we do it rough plastering. So that's how it goes. You can see everything is intact. And after that, we clean as well. We do clean. So this is how far we came. Thank you. So we are still on. It's a massive project, so we are still on.
So there you have it. The work still continues. When they are done and it's printed, I will bring an update, show you amazing, features these guys are doing. These guys are very serious guys, young guys trying to make it in life. So let's all support them, let's make this happen. This is how, we can do to reduce the unemployment in the country. So then I think this will bring us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. We are almost hitting about, I think, 7K subscribers. I'm very happy and I'm grateful for you all, subscribing to the channel. And I will see you in my next episode. Look, do we?